Introduction to K-nearest neighbors, KNN. K-nearest neighbors, KNN, is a simple, intuitive classification algorithm widely used in machine learning. It is based on the concept of similarity, where the classification of a data point is determined by the majority class of its nearest neighbors. How KNN works? Data preparation. KNN works with a labeled dataset where each data point has a known class. Choosing K represents the number of nearest neighbors to consider. The value of K is crucial as it affects the algorithm's performance. Distance measurement. The distance between data points is calculated using methods such as Euclidean distance. Finding neighbors. For a new data point, the algorithm finds the K nearest points in the training dataset. Majority vote. The new data point is assigned the class most common among its K nearest neighbors. Advantages of KNN. Simplicity. KNN is easy to understand and implement. No training phase. There is no explicit training phase, making it a lazy learning algorithm. Versatility. KNN can be used for both classification and regression tasks. Disadvantages of KNN. Computational cost. KNN can be computationally expensive, especially with large datasets, as it requires calculating the distance between the query point and all points in the dataset. Storage requirements. It requires storing the entire dataset, which can be memory-intensive. Sensitivity to irrelevant features. KNN can be influenced by irrelevant or redundant features, which can affect its accuracy. Choosing the right K. The choice of K is crucial. Small k can lead to noisy classification. Large K can smooth out the classification but may ignore smaller patterns. A common approach is to use cross-validation to find the optimal K value for a given dataset. Applications of KNN. Pattern recognition, used in handwriting detection and image recognition. Data mining, applied in areas such as anomaly detection and recommendation systems. Intrusion detection, utilized for detecting unusual patterns in network traffic. Conclusion. K-nearest neighbors is a powerful yet simple classification algorithm that is effective for various tasks. Despite its computational challenges, its ease of use and versatility make it a popular choice for many machine learning applications.